Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dhwani from Storyscape Studio, and I know we haven't connected since a very long time, and now that I'm back we find ourselves again amongst a very worse situation than it was last year, with the coronavirus pandemic spreading throughout the nation at an alarming rate. So I know there's a lot of chaos and panic going on right now. So today I'm not going to talk about the virus or how to help people overcome the virus, though you can connect with me on my Instagram page, on my YouTube channel, or my email in order to get any kind of help from me personally. If it's possible, I'll do it for sure. So today is in fact a very auspicious day. It's Mahavir Janma Kalyanam, which is basically the birth of Lord Mahavir. And I thought today I would come and tell you some of his very important preachings that are known but not really practiced by people. And trust me, today if you imbibe these preachings in your life, you will find some ounce of peace or calmness or tranquility amongst the absolute chaos and panic that's going on. And I think inner peace, or you being in a situation or a level where you can actually stay calm and help others, is very much required today in today's times. So without wasting any time, let's move on into the video. So we all are aware of the many principles that Lord Mahavir had preached during his stay on earth, and the preachings on which we all live today, especially Jains who follow the religion Jainism. Today I'm going to tell you the 4 key principles of Lord Mahavir, which if imbibed today, as I mentioned before, can really help you out. So the first principle is Maitri Bhav, or the sentiment of friendship. Now today, even if you give a hand to an unknown or a known person, be it online or offline for that matter, to a loved one or to a complete stranger, it's going to help you out in some or the other way. If a person is in need, and if you are there in their hour of need, it's going to give you some kind of peace or some kind of happiness at the end of the day, that today you've managed to help someone out. Even if the help is very small or very nominal, it doesn't matter. It will help you at the end of the day to get that kind of peace inside you, and it will also motivate you to help someone or to give a hand of friendship to someone else on the other day. The second principle is Karuna Bhav, which is the feeling or the sentiment of compassion. Now, compassion is something which is much needed and required today in today's world. You cannot judge anyone before you walk in their shoes. So even if it's just one small word of comfort, or just a sentiment that you're telling the person that you're there for them, or that you understand them to some level, it's going to bring both of you much peace. The third principle is Pramod Bhav, or the sentiment of appreciation. Appreciating everyone around you, be it healthcare workers or your family members or even your basic shopkeepers who are trying to deliver stuff to you on time, is going to come a long way. It's very simple. It's a cycle. If you give me something and I thank you genuinely out of the bottom of my heart for your deed, you're going to be motivated to do the same for others. And I'm going to be motivated to do something that someone else has done for me for others. Hence, this is a cycle of appreciation which will never end. And the fourth and the last principle is the most important of all, which is the Madhyastha Bhav, which is the sentiment of being neutral. Today, it's very difficult to become neutral, to think from no one's perspective, but as a neutral party, thinking from both perspectives and then coming to a decision. This principle is not only difficult, it's also very strenuous to achieve. But in any situation, it's very important to think empathetically, to think practically, and then to make a decision. Any decision made out of bias or prejudice is going to not only harm your peace or your mindset, but also kind of harm the environment that you're living in and the people around you. Now, when we overcome all the negativities from our life and imbibe these 4 principles, we'll be on the right path towards attaining peace, calmness, and tranquility. Remember, if you are peaceful, if you are calm and in the right state of mind, then and only then can you help others. Can you improve the situation around you? Because at the end of the day, nothing can beat the combination of friendship, compassion, appreciation, and being neutral. At this time, there is one more saying that Lord Mahavir said: nobody can make you miserable, and nobody can make you happy except for yourself. Hence, you are the root cause of being miserable, and you are also the root cause of being happy. It's up to you to decide which one of the two do you want to be. Jainism in itself rejects the idea of one God. In fact, they believe that all souls who have attained moksha or nirvana by following the path of righteousness are considered to be gods or godlike. Did you also know that Lord Mahavir was probably one of the first people or religious leaders, in fact, to promote equality? For example, he used to give his preachings in local language so that everybody could gain the knowledge that he had received through moksha. Unlike some others who actually used Sanskrit, which was only restricted to the elite class of our nation. He was also amongst the first ones to promote equality amongst women as well. He urged everyone to treat women with utmost respect and to give them equal status in the society. In fact, he himself was the first one to invite women to become Shravikas or female monks as well and follow all rituals equally as much as their male counterparts did. And of course, we all know who was the biggest supporter and follower of Lord Mahavir's preachings and teachings. It was none other than Mahatma Gandhi himself, who had imbibed almost all of Lord Mahavir's principles in his life, and we all know how enlightened and how great his entire life was. So that's it for this time, guys. Please feel free to connect with me on Instagram, on Facebook, on my YouTube channel. I'll be here for you and will be able to help you in any which way I can. I'll be back again very soon. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, stay at home. Please wear your masks and get yourself vaccinated as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.